How to fix PIONER crashing on Steam. First, go to the library, right-click on the game, open up the Properties window, and then under Launch Options, you want to add the following command, -dx11, and then go to the Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for this process to finish checking. Sometimes it might just download additional files. And once this is done, you can close out of Steam and then make sure you have the latest GPU drivers. So for NVIDIA GPUs, download and install NVIDIA app, and then go to the drivers section. From here, go to the Game Ready driver, check for the latest updates, and download and install the latest driver. You can also try to manually reinstall the driver if you have the latest one already by clicking reinstall button that you should find right here. Now, once this is done, you can close out of NVIDIA application and then open up your browser and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link, scroll down to this table right here, and make sure to download and install the 86 version and the 64 version as well, both of them. You can also repair existing installations if you have it already installed, which should appear like this. Just click on the repair button right here to repair the installation. And once you're done, you will need to basically restart your system by clicking on the power button and then restart. And before launching the game again, you will need to search for Steam, right click on it, and then run as admin. And now you can launch the game again, and this should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.